Don't hide your scars. Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng. Magkapet pandasal muna tayo. I was a tween when I hopped behind a friend on a motorcycle and we sped away. Unfortunately, sumemplang kami at napaso ako sa tambucho ng motor. The burn became an ugly scar on my leg at a time when I was a self-conscious adolescent. I would cover it up with makeup and wear stockings just to hide it. That's what we do with scars. We conceal it. We're obsessed with hiding our imperfections, so we filter our photos, we curate our social media, and pretend we have it all together. We're ashamed of our struggles and our wounds. But not Jesus. When he resurrected, he could have appeared with a perfect, flawless body. But he didn't. When Thomas doubted, Jesus said, "Put your finger here. See my hands. Reach out your hand and put it into my side." Even in glory, Jesus kept his wounds. Why? Because our scars matter to God. He doesn't erase them. God doesn't waste our pain. He transforms it into purpose. Our scars from trauma, addiction, loss, failure, illness aren't just remnants of suffering. When we surrender them to Jesus, they become sources of compassion, wisdom, and healing for others. So instead of hiding our scars, let's allow Jesus to touch and use them. Like the risen Christ, we can be both broken and beautiful. Tayo magdasal. Jesus, thank you for giving me a new way of looking at my hurts, wounds, and trauma. Use me as your wounded healer to heal others. Amen.